Hi, so let's talk about secure FTP versus the old standard that when it was first invented for file transfer protocol and how that's not going to get the job done. If you go to the show notes for the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com for this episode, I've got a link to the Google document that contains the hyperlink for the blog post from Go Anywhere that talks about what's the best protocols to use. They all have their benefits, but the bottom line, they're going to recommend that you use Secure FTP, SFTP, as the go-to file transfer tool to use. We'll be right back. Okay, just a second. I need you to go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, click on the Podchaser Reviews link, and write one up. It'll just take you a hot minute. Thanks so much. So, in summary, we know now that we're going to use Secure FTP. That's the way to go. And to do that the best, make sure that your client software that you've got to use for file transfer protocol supports that technology. Some don't. Some of the older ones just won't do SFTP because it wasn't invented when they came out with their product. Okay? And do take a look at the graphic I put up there from vidIQ. It shows me the best time overall, average time, Pacific time where I live in the United States, to post onto YouTube at between 3 and 6 p.m. So guess what time this is going to be available? That's right, between 3 and 6 p.m. Thanks very much for taking time out of your day. I hope you found a pearl in this oyster. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap.